Are you tired of staring at the same boring keycaps on you or your partner's keyboard? Well, I have the solution just for you. Here's a gift from Glorious. Why don't you open it? No, not like that. There. That's more like it. Come on, you can do it. Maybe we should have let you use the big one. Meet the GPBT Power Panel, a limited edition keycap set. Trendy, edgy, punk rock skater vibes, straight out of the loading screen of your favorite pro skater game. Anyone else feeling a little jet set radio future? These keycaps will smash into your setup with punk-fueled PBT-powered chaos. Who wouldn't love the graffiti style, the punch of pink and purple, and the grungy vibes? This set looks amazing. The power panel is made with durable PBT keycaps so you can play harder and live louder. Slam-tested PBT plastic? Check. Boring minimalist screaming as they run away in fear? Check. Anti-authority energy? Definitely. This is a limited time drop. No reruns, no resets. So boot up LimeWire, dodge 37 viruses, and get your set before it's gone, or even hook up your partner in spray painting, skating, video game crime.